Mmm. Wow, you're picking your ice cream. Look at that. Mmm, yummy.
Come on, Tommy. That's it, I just want to drink my juice.
Mmm. Joshua.
I'm Mama. Mama Nelly. Call me Mama.
Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. Say hi. How was your first day, Tommy, of school?
Good.
Good? Awesome.
What's your teacher's name? Miss Gray. What's my teacher's name? What's your teacher's name? Mrs. Veroni. Mrs. what? Veroni. Mrs. Veroni.
Oh my God.
Mama, I have a red mustache. You have to follow it, Joey.
Yes, you are, Tommy. You have it. You're so cute. Look at Joshua. Oh my gosh. He just poked a hole in the coat. Oh.
I want you to give it to me. I want to see.
Oh, I'm taking a video right now.
Oh, sorry. Too hard.
Joshua, what did you do?
Yeah, what did you do?
Oh my gosh.
Mom, go back.
Oh my.
Ready?
What?
Yay!
Oh my gosh.
There you
Good? You want? Oh my
go.
goodness.
Oh, you tricked your mama.
Look how messy, sticky you are right now, Joshua.
Let me be 4.
Oh my goodness, look.
Joey, let her borrow your gloves. Yeah. But that one's bigger. This one? Yeah.
Joshua.
Thank you.
Joshua.
Hi, Susanna.
Joshua.
That one.
Joshua. Look at me. Joshua. Oh my gosh, look at you. Let me see that ice cream cone. Let me see that. Oh my gosh, that's what happened right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that ice cream. Oh my goodness, Joshua. Yummy. Yummy, huh? Yummy. Yummy.
I'm gonna get my regular. Okay.